Hold on, the YouTube's gonna want to see what came out of it.
Mike's harder.
It was all up in there. Mike is harder. Mike's harder. I don't know. No one knows how to do anything. Yeah, and I got some cans that came out of it. All right. My brother, he's already cleaning it. He's dressed like me. That way when the police come, they'll fuck with him. Who was driving this car erratically? Yeah, you can tell this is a nice condition car by the trunk. You won't ever see these on there still, but this one has them. Trying to get this jack stuff back in here. Ed was right. There's always money underneath the floor mat.
Penny.
This time, not as much as last time.
That's
what?
I mean.
Ed is right, man. He's like, check the floor mat. It's paper, Ed. Ooh, them Ritz. You gonna eat that Snickers? I was about to put this shit in my pocket. Like, is it really money? Shit, I need all I can get from this car. Nasty. There it is, the history right there. You gotta look close. Parking permit. City of San Ramon. My brother said, how did it end up in Oakland? For real. All right, there it is. Cleaning in progress. Going down. All right, here's how you get access to the rear speakers on an F-body 82. A 82 through a 92. There's a screw right there. And then it just latches on. This is the only screw holding it. And this just comes up and stick on. Let's see if I can sit this up here for a second. So I just peels that pretty much. You can just pull it up. Ooh, that's what I thought I was hearing. That is what I thought I was hearing. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty bad. That's the original speaker, and I think it's time for it to go. Because I got a lot of 6x9s laying around, so I could just slap one in there. So, yeah, it's got original speakers. It does play still, but it doesn't sound very good. All right, well, here's a Camaro. My brother has cleaned the inside. We didn't do like the dash and stuff. We just he did vacuuming and cleaning. So it does look good in here. I can't really see anything through this camera. My phone is messed up, but we're gonna keep cleaning. But here it is before he hoses it off. He's probably gonna start washing it, hosing it off or something. It's gonna be a whole different car. Actually, it's gonna be the same car. It'll be a lot less though. It's probably got 5 pounds of dust on it. Oh, he missed the Summit sticker. You left the Summit sticker. Oh, I did. I said, take that. I got it. Sorry, Summit. I hit y'all up to see if y'all would sponsor me, send me a free battery and stuff. But he said, nah, it's all bad right now. So I guess you're just going to have to get off my car. All right, to get this speaker out, it's a 7mm. 4 of them. Wow, look how original that is. Wilco sound. That's an original speaker. I'm gonna keep it, but I'm gonna keep it because whoever buys this car might want it. I'm not gonna listen to that, and I'm gonna leave this wire too. I'm gonna just make my own wire with some male on one side and female on the other side. Yep, no more destroying things. So this car's too original to mess up. I know most people will throw that speaker away, but I won't. Someone might want it. Even on eBay, people will like remanufacture it, probably repair that. If they want that original numbers matching stuff, they will someday. But these are getting there. There it goes. It's got paint underneath it.
Check on the hood.
That's not bad, no. Ooh, feels like rough. Yeah, it's bad. You might not want to wax that.
It should be black.
It's like a chip plum.
Is it painted black?
Nah.
Look at it.
The eye parts are black.
No, I mean like
This is black. Look, that's for show black. It could even have inserts. No. The top is red. I mean, maroon, burgundy. Nah, someone else can. That's all it needed. Price just went up. Price just went up. There it is. It needed it bad. It's not a bad color.
I'm just watching. I'm not talking about rubbing out.
Yeah, no, I know. This is what everyone wants. Even though it takes so long to edit videos, I didn't even put any up. But for the future, that's what they want, that waterfall coming off the light. Looking pretty good. Hey, you get a show today. Did you ever have one of these?
He wasn't cool. No, I'm just kidding.
He had like a Corvette. This is what the people want right here. I have to do.
I have fancy Italian cars too.
A Fiero? A Fiat?
Lancia.
Oh my. I didn't think
Lancia.
you could get any lower than a Fiat.
All right.
Lancia, they're fine race cars.
There it is. It's coming back. And of course, these have some type of locking lug. Every one of them. It looks like some type of nines. I think it's a 9 spline. But I looked online and I couldn't find any 9 spline. So that's how fun it is right now with that. But you could always just pound on a socket or two. We have a whole set of stuff, and so my brother might be able to get on that with our removal set. Dude, that's got a lot of meat on it right there for screwing into. We'll take it. So you got a right tool and you can do anything. So hopefully we have that, because these wheels gotta come off of here. These are worth more than the whole car probably. And they don't belong on here. The fronts look okay, the back isn't where it's at. Look at that. I'm good. This is not where it's at. I'm glad that they're on the car, because I'm gonna take these and sell them. And I'm gonna sell these for more than the whole car. Probably. These are rare, old school, vintage, and they're in good condition with good tires. I think I saw someone sell a set for like $2,000, so I'm about to do that. I really am. And then the car is just whatever. It's gravy, as they say. It's all gravy. I'll sell the car for the same price. Nah, actually, I'm gonna find some cheap IROCs on Craigslist or OfferUp. And I'm gonna slap them on here and make it look like it's supposed to look. And then I'm gonna sell them rims whenever I feel like it, and then I'll sell the car just to get rid of it so I can get some space. That's how we're doing it. I knew what I was doing when I saw that. I was like, ooh, I'm taking them rims off top. That was my first thought. All right, of course, this Camaro has these locking lugs on every one. Every one of them has this, and it's like a 9 spline. We have a set and stuff. So we're looking through it, but none that were the same. But we got it here. By
Another one.
he's going. Let's see him do it. It's about to start raining, I think. Let's see if he can get it.
No.
Oh, you want me to move that cap?
No.
That's an impact thing. I'll show you guys the tools after he's done. And it screws on and it'll bite on it, so you can see like how it did it on this one. Did that come off?
Yep.
There it is. The professional. That thing, what's that, an impact something? We'll show more later, but that's live and direct. We're taking one off each right now, and then I'm gonna have to find some wheels, but I'm gonna sell these wheels. So there it is. Oh, here's the sets right here. Let me show you what it looks like. Not that one. It's looking like that one. There's a whole bunch of them. We got a couple different ones. All right, here's the Z28 with the GTA wheels on this side. This rear end must be from maybe like a 93 Camaro or something. I'm not sure, but it seems like the tires are sticking out super farther than there should be. This one has a Corvette wheel on this side. This one's sticking in good, but it doesn't fit on the front. And this is the main objective, to get these off. Those are probably worth more than the car. This side is the side that looks good right there. This side, I like the way that looks, the GTA wheel, but that thing's sticking out way too far. Does that have to be a,
You just fit that as a Corvette rim on the back of your good. Right?
I mean, it looks all right,
No,
but
you're gonna
that's
get
not
it,
supposed to,
the ribs
yeah.
trash.
Yeah, that's not right though. Something about this rear end must be from, I'm gonna have to do some investigation. All right, here's a Camaro now. It's got this is like a Z28 rally wheel from the 70s, like a 70 to 81. That looks pretty good on there. And on the back is a 1990 Corvette wheel. They all pretty much look the same, but this is like a 1 year. And I believe this has a 4th gen rear end, because this wheel is like a 7.5 inch backspace. And you can see it's sitting like it's supposed to. Everything else I put on here, even a GTA from a rear of a 3rd gen F body, it was sticking out. So that looked right. I didn't put them on the front because you need spacers, bolt-on spacers, like 2 inch to clear the strut towers. I think if they were a little bit bigger or a little bit not as wide, I think these are like 9.5 inch width, I'm not sure, but it's hitting the strut tower up there. But anyway, these rims weren't that good. They're all chewed on and beat up. The tires are good though, so that fits perfectly back there. I might put them all black, but I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do up front. I might just leave it because I don't really want to mess up the Corvette wheels, but I might do it all black so it looks like it matches. I'm not really tripping. I really want to just get those rims off of there because those rims are worth more than the car probably. I mean, probably not, but you know. So I got the Corvette wheels in the back with some decent tires. And then I could get rid of those because the other two were good. these ones got their rims that were kind of messed up, but good tires. It fit perfectly back there. It's beautiful. And then I got a Pontiac Rally on the front, a 15. I had to put some 15s on here because I tried some 14s, but they weren't clearing the disc brakes. So you get to see everything on here. Here it looks like a Firebird with the Rally. It looks good. I like all the looks that I've seen on this car. It's just a good looking car. So there it is with the Rally, a 15. I didn't really want to give that up, but I already have my GT, I already have a set, and I already have a spare. So I'm just trying to do what I can here to clean up. So I might just paint them all black if I want it to look the same, but I still might try to grab my Rallies off the front. I didn't necessarily want to give them up, but I don't necessarily have to keep them. But I did have to get those other wheels off. I like the way the Corvette wheels look. So when I sell this car or whatever, you know, I still have those other rims. But there it is right there. So yeah, that's a deep offset. All these were like, they weren't even front and rears. Like all the ones I have from a Corvette were like rears. They were just deep. So that worked on there perfectly, and it looks good. It looks real good. I'd like to put the others on the front, and I think you can, like I said, with the bolt-on adapters. I'm just not trying to spend any money at the moment. And the other Corvette wheel is flat, so it doesn't really help me. Anyway, there it is. I'm having some trouble getting it into reverse right now. This is the original problem that I figured it had when I was in pick and pull with it. I have got it into reverse, but I think it's a linkage problem. I don't think it's a transmission because it's only got 73,000. So after all my research, it's looking like linkage. Anyway, I'm out here. I'm done for right now. Still got the wobbly steering column. I'll probably fix that. That's like 4 bolts. It's not a problem for me to do because I have all the tools, but I always manage to not be able to lock it back like that. So I'm really have to be careful and pay attention. I did want to practice in pick and pull because whatever it is that locks it, I always end up putting it out of alignment or something. So I always am able to fix the columns, but I gotta figure out what that is. But I might just leave it for now. I'm gonna figure out this reverse first, I think. I can't tell if that's in reverse right now. It's a temperamental car. I mean, with the reverse, I'm just not feeling like it's engaging. Anyway, I'll be back. All right, there's a Z28 wheel with a trim ring on it, just in case anyone wanted to see. Looks pretty good. Yeah, a lot of rims you can put on these cars.